think it's looking good.
Yeah, it definitely has new growth.
Yeah, it does. Yep. As you watch this pedicure today, I'm going to give you a testimonial, and I'll keep it short. I hope I'm able to help people all across the world with their toenail fungus. My client hasn't had a normal toenail in 12 years, but as you just heard her say, she sees new nail growth, and that is because she's been using a product by Imperial Feet called nail mycosis. And before I start my story, I just want to remind you to leave me a comment for your chance to win one of the products I'm using in the video, and one of the lucky commenters will also be featured in the Comment Hall of Fame on my Instagram. And there is a pedicure package available on my online store with the basic tools you see and need to take care of your toes at home, which I will supply a link for. This client has really pretty feet and toes, and the only thing that's been keeping her from showing off her feet is this big toenail that she's been struggling with for 12 years. Last year, I was introduced to a professional foot care line called Imperial Feet. And before I try a new line, I'm always skeptical because anything I have used in the past did not deliver on what it was advertised to do. As a nail technician, I'm supposed to recommend products that will help my clients' feet in between pedicures, so my job is easier when they come back every month. And when I sell them something, of course I make a little bit of extra money, but I have not carried a retail foot product in my business to sell to my clients for 15 years because I'm not going to try to make money off my clients selling them something that doesn't produce results, or products that I don't love or I don't use on myself. Clients want to see results quickly, or they stop using the product, and then they really aren't going to get results at all. My world changed last year when I started using the Imperial Feet professional foot care products. Some of you may have heard me mention this brand in the past few videos. And when I started trying the products in my pedicure services, the first change I saw was in the white spots that were on some of my clients' toenails. I was only using the product during the pedicure service. They were not using the product at home. And when they came back in for their pedicure in 4 weeks, there were no new spots on the nail, and the old spots were less in growing up the nail plate. I thought, wow, this product must have some pretty significant benefits for only using it one time and seeing results. And I wasn't really expecting to see results. I was using the product to keep the dust down when I buffed the nail to minimize the white spots in the first place. So without saying anything to my clients, I continued to use it, and each month, to my amazement, all the spots disappeared. And this made my confidence in the Imperial Foot Care line go through the roof. And I knew I could rely on it as an at-home foot care solution. And I started carrying the line in my salon. I filmed this pedicure 7 months ago, and I took the after photo just a few weeks ago. And I will show you that photo at the end of the pedicure. She has been using the nail mycosis solution at home for the past 7 months. I love this line to the point that we've partnered with the company to bring the line to the United States market. The company, Imperial Feet, has been the leading professional foot care line in the Netherlands since 2001, and it was a blessing to have been introduced to the line by a friend, Tara Say, who is in Orlando. There are a lot of before and after photos that the company has provided with miraculous results, but this client is my client, and I know the results are real because I see them with my own eyes, and I can now confidently recommend the entire line to my customer base for their bothersome foot and nail needs. I don't have any hesitation on whether or not the product line will work. I know it does. I see the results over and over again. I'm going to shut up in just a second. I just want to tell you that I'm going to add some other before and after photos of a few other people so you can see the results from them too, and that this product line reverses problematic nails, and it's not something that you can send a sample to somebody for them to try because it must be used every single day for weeks before you see the results, and it's not expensive. The retail price is under $30 and it will last for about a year. In my opinion, I think every nail technician should be carrying this foot care line in their salon so they can make their clients as happy as my clients are. And if you're a person who is struggling with a nail condition that you need help with, I encourage you to tell your nail technician about the product line so they can carry it in their salon. And this product line is only sold by professionals. You won't find it on Amazon or eBay. And I'll add the link in the description where a nail technician or a salon owner and even distributors can become a verified partner so they can start providing solutions for their clientele. Here's a peek of a couple other clients who have had huge success with the product. And now I'm just going to shush it.
Both my grandmothers on both sides, they've got like tree stumps for legs. It's like, okay, so we didn't stand much of a chance.
Are they under 5 foot tall?
One is, and my mom's side, she was probably 5'8", but still.
She still had short legs.
Long legs, but still fit.
Gotcha.
And so he didn't stand much of a chance. So compared to my sisters, I'm happy with what I have. Still, like my mother-in-law, she has like bands for legs. And it's like, oh, you think my daughter would end up with her body, overall body? No, she is mine. trying to break away from the day-to-day operations, and then I'll get sucked back. And now when I do my walks, it's like I don't even take the dogs with me. I feel guilty for about the first mile. And after that, it's like, okay.
Yeah, then you can
very nice.
relax.
Yeah. Do you run mornings or evenings?
Evenings. I don't like to get all sweaty and then have to shower and then get to work. I like to come home and then go out and
Yeah.
do it.
How many days a week do you jog?
Just a couple. Not enough. I've never been an endurance runner, and I just recently had my DNA done, and it's in your genes. You either are or you aren't. Yeah. It says my muscles produce a protein of elite athletes have. So I build muscle really fast, and I always wondered, why, and that's why.
Wow. That's a fabulous genetic makeup.
Yeah, I never would have dreamed that would have been included in the testing.
Wow.
Yep, I did the whole health assessment thing because of my arthritis and stuff. I wanted to know what else I was prone to, and I'm thinking about the longevity of my career.
Gotcha. How long did it take you to get your results back?
About 4 weeks.
And you got it back via email, right?
Yeah. Yep.
We did that too. One of our kids gave us that for Christmas, so we did it. But neither my husband or I got our results back, and it's like, okay, they must have been filtered out.
Thanks for listening to my story today. This is the before, this is the during, and this is the 7-month after results of using the nail mycosis. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my channel. You can visit my social media sites to follow and interact, and I would really appreciate it so much if you would click that share button and share your favorite videos to help me grow my channel. Here are some other great video suggestions for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.